PolicyShield is a real-world ZK compliance demo built on Stellar testnet. The goal is simple: allow a transfer only when a private credential satisfies a public policy, while keeping the sensitive credential attributes off-chain. In this demo, the credential holder proves eligibility with an UltraHonk proof. The smart contract does not trust a screenshot, a mock proof, or a front-end claim. It reconstructs the public inputs, checks the deployed verification key, rejects replay through a nullifier, and only then updates the accepted balance and receipt state. The web console you are seeing is not a marketing page. It is an evidence console for judges and auditors. The overview starts with the accepted testnet state. The transfer is accepted. The amount is 75 mock asset units. The final contract balance is 75, and 8 negative checks are recorded locally or on testnet. The proof identity panel exposes the proof hash, verification key hash, and public input hash. These are the audit handles that connect the dashboard back to the cryptographic execution. The deployed boundary panel links to the PolicyShield contract and the UltraHonk verifier contract on Stellar Expert. The dashboard is intentionally explicit about this boundary. Private witness data is not shown, while public policy inputs and transaction evidence are inspectable. Now we open the guided demo. The first step binds the policy. The active policy fixes the issuer root, asset domain, and policy version used by the proof. The second step verifies the UltraHonk proof. This is the load-bearing ZK part of the project. A real proof is checked by the deployed Soroban verifier against the stored verification key. The third step executes the transfer. PolicyShield reconstructs the expected public inputs, rejects stale or replayed state, and credits the accepted mock asset balance only after verification succeeds. The final step discloses an auditor receipt. The receipt includes policy and proof evidence, but not raw credential attributes or private limits. Next, the rejection lab shows why this is not just a positive path demo. Replay is rejected. A mutated amount, receipt id, or nullifier with the original proof is rejected. Local mutation tests also cover stale policy version, stale issuer root, inactive policy, and amount above limit cases. Finally, the evidence view gives the transaction ledger, privacy boundary, public input boundary, and trust model in one place. This is useful for reviewing what is private, what is public, and what assumptions remain. The result is a compact but complete Stellar's K policy gate. A private credential can authorize a governed transfer. The contract enforces the cryptographic boundary, and auditors can verify the outcome without learning the private witness. PolicyShield is designed as a reusable pattern for real-world ZK applications on Stellar. Prove eligibility privately, enforce public policy on-chain, reject tampering and replay, and export clean evidence for review.